Hello, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your PowerPoint slides to the Microsoft Stream video service, add a transcript and captions, and make the video and the PowerPoint slides available for download. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Okay, so here we go. Now what I got here in PowerPoint is a 3-slide deck. And what I'm going to do is publish that deck to Stream. Now if I go to the File menu and choose Export, you'll see I've got this Publish to Stream option down here. When I select that, you'll see this is the title and description that will go into Stream. And you'll see I've got these two checkboxes. So first of all, I can allow everyone in your organization to see this video. I can choose that if I don't mind who sees the video. Anyone in my organization can see it if I check this box. If I want to, I can add specific permissions, so I can choose individuals or groups and give them access to the video. But in this demonstration, I'm just going to allow everyone to have access. I'm also going to check the box labeled Upload your original PowerPoint file along with this video. That will upload the slides so anyone can access the video and download the slides. So I'm going to choose that one too, and then I'm going to hit publish. So you see down here in the system tray at the bottom, we've got this process bar showing me that it's creating the MP4 file, the video file, and it's going to upload that into Stream. One thing I should add here is that any animations or narration or transitions that you've added to the slide deck will also be added to the video. You can see here I've added some narration to this slide. That audio is also added to the video, and it will allow me to do a transcript and captions to the video as well. Once the video has been created, it will give you this link here, and that will take you straight into the video in Stream. So it will open up a browser, go to Stream, take you to the video itself and start to play it. You can see my video has played. The animations, the transitions and the audio are all there. Now to get the captions and transcript, I have to do a couple of extra steps. So I'm going to scroll down here to this ellipsis to the More Actions menu, and I'm going to choose Update Video Details. Now to get the transcript, all you need to do is choose a language. In this section here called Details, if I come down to the video language, you can see I've got all these languages to choose from. Stream will create a transcript based on the language you choose. So because my spoken language was English, I'm going to choose English. Now it's going to automatically generate the transcript for me and make it available to the viewers of the video. Now also I mentioned permissions. You can see this checkbox, allow everyone in your company to view the video. That's what I want. That's fine for me. But you may want to change it, and you can do that from this Share With section. So if you have individuals, channels or groups that you want to share the video with specifically and you'd rather everybody not see it, you can do that here. Okay, so once I'm happy with all these changes, I just hit the apply button. That takes me back to the video. And you can see now on the right hand side I have this transcript section. Now after a few minutes, or depending on how long your video is, it could take longer, you'll see a transcript here, and once that's available, the captions or the CC button on the video will also be available. So I've got one here that I created earlier. You can see here the transcript is available. As the author of the video, I can edit it if I want to as well. And I've also got the CC button here where I can turn the captions on and off, and I can see my captions in the middle. The last thing I want to show you is how you can download the PowerPoint video from Stream. If I come to the ellipsis again and choose Update Video Details, that will take me back to the Video Details page, and I can see on the right hand side I've got the option to download the video and also download the PowerPoint file. Now I can see that because I'm the owner. Not anybody can come here and do this, but if I want to, I can make other people owners. So if I, for example, come to the Share With section and choose Megan and just search her name, choose it from the list, I can make Megan an owner, and that will give her access to this page so she can download the video and the PowerPoint file if she wants to. Make sure when you're finished changing the settings here, you hit apply, and there you go. So that's how you publish your slides from PowerPoint to Stream, and how you share the transcripts and the captions, and how you can make the video and the PowerPoint slides available for download. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.